Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I've been really into making my own natural skincare and hair care. So I thought today I'd make for you this all natural cleansing facial scrub, which I absolutely love. It's so moisturising and a great exfoliator, and you know exactly what's going into it. You can find all these ingredients cheaply and easily, and might even already have them in your kitchen cupboard. So let's get started. So first I'm adding 2 tablespoons of virgin coconut oil, and obviously everyone knows that coconut oil is a great moisturiser, but it's also an antioxidant, so it helps protect against skin aging as well. And it also stimulates healing, so it can help any scarring that you have on your face. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, you can use either. And this is a great cleanser. It really unclogs the pores and reduces the risk of acne, and it also balances the pH level of your face and can provide a healthy glow. Now I'm adding about 5 drops of vitamin E oil. Similarly to coconut oil, this is an antioxidant, so it also helps with skin aging. Now I'm adding about 10 drops of orange essential oil. Now I'm using this primarily for scent, but it also boosts collagen production, which is great for anti-aging, and it's also good for acne-prone skin because it's an antiseptic. Now you just mix it all together until it forms a paste-like consistency. So once it's all thoroughly mixed together, you need to grab your containers, and I'm using 50-gram containers, which are fairly small, which is what you want because you want to use it quite quickly. The vitamin E does act as a slight preservative, but it's not as good as preservatives that are used in shop-bought products. So you'll need to use this within about 1 to 2 weeks. So smaller containers are better than larger containers for this. So the consistency of my one was quite soft, and that's because I live in a warm climate. So obviously coconut oil melts at, I think it's about 24 degrees or something. So the warmer the climate you live in, the softer the paste will be. So this is an example of what it will look like if you live in a cooler climate. I had this one kept in a room where the AC was up pretty high, so if you live in a climate where your room is generally around 21, 22 degrees, then it will look more like this, but then it melts into the skin when you use it anyway. So that completes this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I think I'm going to make more natural product videos going forward, so stay tuned for that. But for now, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.